Let's do another custom puppet order. This one's for Will in the UK. Thank you, Will. The second order from this guy. Thanks very much. And that's the character right there that he made on our Pubbets Lab custom puppet builder on the website. Now the hair is sewn on, but it's a little bit wrinkly, so I get out the steamer and that puffs them up really nicely and gets rid of the wrinkles. Now it's time for the face, but first Will has ordered an add-on outfit and he wants the tuxedo, so I grab that out first and get that ready for later, and that's going to go in with his order, one of our handmade, beautifully tailored outfits for the puppet. And there is the pants for it. Okay, moving on, let's go back to the puppet, and this is the outfit that he chose to be put on the puppet. It's called our farmer outfit, and there it is, a nice little shirt and the overalls. And you need some white socks, which are the Thailander school socks, and they work pretty well. And they're, I don't know why he popped in there. Go over here, get the shoes for the puppet. What's that? And there he is, it's ready to go. And now I do the face. Now, let me show you some of the eyes that we have. These are called the Puppet Half Dome eyes, and they're like the classic sort of bug eye puppet eyes. And out here in my hallway, pardon the mess, these are a different type, and these are oval shape, and a lot of people like these. They're kind of classic old school puppet eyes. They're ovals, there we go. But in this case, Will has chosen my favorite eyes, which are these, and they are round flat disc eyes, and they look really good. I like them. They're all great, but yeah, these are good. Okay, so he wants a small round pink nose, and I have a whole bunch of different ones that I made a couple of months ago. So I lay them out like this, and I choose the one I like. In this case, it's this nice little light pink nose. Just put it on to check the positioning and the color, and that looks good. Look at my messy desk. That's after I cleaned up. Oh my goodness. Okay, put all the other bits back into my professional egg carton holder. Okay, so we'll get rid of them. They were from the last video. So now we just have the flat disc eyes and the pink nose ready for Will's puppet. Okay, now this is a bit of surgery. I won't show this because it's a little bit scary for kids, but I carefully make an incision, put the eyes on, I add the contact cement to the puppet face and the eyes and nose, and there we go. It's all done. So I let that dry for a few minutes, and then I put them together, and when those two glues grab, that's pretty much it. Putting a nice hologram sticker on the outfit set for Will. That's ready to be packed, and this is the key moment. This is where I put the pupils onto the puppet, and for me personally, this is when the puppet really comes to life. And there he is. He looks great. Good job, Will. A great design. And he's ready to go. So I do a little bit of a practice test and have a chat with him and sit him up here on the puppet armchair, and then I get the box ready for shipping. So there he is watching me pack everything up. Really, really like this puppet. Great job, Will. So Will gets a pen, a set of these rainbow earrings, and some extra eye pupil stickers, so people can rearrange the pupils if they like. So here we go, packing the box. There's the outfit set. It's got shoes in there as well, and his little gift bag next to it. And we're also going to give you this nice bag here from Thailand, a bit of a memento from where we live in the world. Okay, and every order gets something like this. It's kind of fun. My daughter helps with all that. She takes it very seriously. She chooses the gifts and everything. Okay, so he's got the bubble wrap on the puppet. Grab one of our Puppet Lab bags here from my bag stack. And then we get him ready. Put the label on the box. Thank you, Will. And we're done.